Hi, I'm Sarah, the Pharmacy Manager at Pharmica. Today I'm going to show you how you can adjust your face mask so that it fits better and is more protective. You'll notice when you wear your face mask that there is a gap on the side of the mask where it is not fully sealed. Here is a quick fix so you can make sure your mask fits comfortably and securely. First, you need to fold your mask in half. Then take the elastic bands of one side and tie a knot. You need to make sure the knot is as close to the side of the mask as possible. This is important to ensure a good fit. You then want to repeat this on the other side, again making sure it is tied closely to the side of the mask. You then need to push the corners through slightly on each side. This is important to make sure that the mask fits flush to your face. As you can see, the mask now fits closely to your face and you no longer have gaps on the side of the mask. If you need any further information or advice, please feel free to get in touch with us at pharmica.co.uk. Stay safe.